Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily show the Snapchat birthday calendar right on your iPhone lock screen. Are you tired of forgetting your friends' birthdays on Snapchat? Well, what if you could see every upcoming birthday right on your iPhone lock screen? No app opening required. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to add the Snapchat birthday calendar widget to your lock screen so that you can get instant reminders, stay organized, and never miss a celebration again. It's quick, smart, and super convenient. So let's get started. So first and foremost, make sure that Snapchat is already installed on your iPhone and you are logged in. After that, you have to bring up the lock screen by pressing the side button or swiping down from the top of the screen. And then you have to long press on the screen to bring up the wallpaper gallery. After that, you have to choose a preferred wallpaper and hit the Customize button. Then you have to tap on the tiny widget panel right above the time reading. Then you have to scroll down to find the Snapchat birthdays widget and select it. After that, you have to tap outside of the menu to get out of it. And finally, you have to tap on the Done button located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and you're all set. Going forward, you can track the upcoming birthdays of your Snapchat friends right from the lock screen. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it in order to give your lock screen a more personal touch and also spice up Snapchatting. And I'll catch you up in the next one.